We're here at Brandywine in Rehoboth with our toolbox, and Pamela here in the kitchen has showed us that she's currently cleaning her coffee urns with a rag and tongs. So as soon as I pulled out the toolbox, the first thing she noticed was our bottle brush. So instead, look at that excitement.
Oh yeah, that's nice because you can get up here to you can get up here, up around these little cracks. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. It's coming right off too.
So not only used for a bottle brush, but a coffee urn cleaner as well. It's much more sanitary than a rag.
Absolutely. Oh, I like that.
Perfect.
Yep.
So now I challenge you, James Reed, for the PJP Toolbox Challenge for your next video.